In Lakipur, Shodor Upozila's Lahar Kandi Union, Awami League President Murad Hossain was brutally tortured by local BNP terrorists and later handed over to the police by extremist students. With Yunus's patronage, mob violence is spreading unchecked and there is no justice. Can the Yunus government eliminate the Awami League through repression when Awami League leaders, activists, and supporters are present in every household? If the Yunus government refuses to seek justice for the abuse against Awami League activists, then let that be declared openly. The Awami League will choose the path of self-defense,